He said there'll be 50,000 people or so come through this show.
It takes 3 or 4 crews to do what we do out here.
I couldn't even tell you the number of how many RVs we have cleaned, come, gone.
To try to get it some people in a company or anybody that can wash 1,000 units in 12 days is virtually impossible.
We're trying to keep the spirit, but yes, we are exhausted, we're tired.
Seen it happen. It's just unreal. You'll see RVs lined up at the gate. They have to come through. Every RV has to be checked in by the RV Association and tagged before it goes in the show. This is definitely the calm before the storm where you see nothing, you get to see the lines, and like I said, you'll get to see progress.
It has only been a week, but to get to where we're at now, like I said, it takes a couple of weeks to get to this point.
Like working with everybody here, John, Dawn, everybody's good. We have a good team going here. Everybody's hustling when they bring the units in and out.
We have great management. Our bosses are strong. They keep us busy, keep us on our toes, and I love that about RCP. So.
I think it's all going good. I mean, it's smooth. I haven't noticed any major problems. We just clean one, get out, and get another one clean too.
Road ahead is a long road, but we're ready.
Yeah.
We're ready. RCP is always ready.
I'm pretty pumped about it. I'm pretty pumped. Like, I feel like we're in a good spot.
This, I wanted y'all to see this. People are going to, well, I don't see nothing. Well, as you explained it, this is the start of, basically an RV city they build in,
All right, guys, so 2025 headed over to Super Show this morning. Looks like it's a beautiful day. Had a little weather come in last night. It makes it rough on our team trying to prepare for the show. He said there'll be 50,000 people or so come through this show in 4 days, 5 days.
Okay, now we start things, right?
We go to the next. Check the next.
When we first started, I think we did like a couple of hundred units. And I think combined we'll do over 1,000 this year. It's an amazing thing to watch. I don't know if you guys got the opportunity to watch how they set the displays. And they purposely set them where the units are together where people can't walk in between them. So they purposely do that where they have to go into the display and stay in their displays. It's crazy how they get inches apart without tearing stuff up. The whole premise of it though is to keep it where everybody goes into that whatever display it is and they walk that display as a horseshoe or whatever it may be. They've done this a long time between General, Camping World, North Trail. Those were all wonderful customers for us. They've been with us. We started this Super Show originally in 2012. And in 2012, myself, Justin, and Jarrett, and Jake was washing coaches. You gotta have the folks that are bought in and understand the quality that we're looking for. You can certainly wash 1,000 units, but can you wash them and make them look the way they're supposed to look? That's the magic about it, right?